Okay. I'm all done with this old Kenworth. And now I'm going to call the customer. Oh, I got to tell him it's done. Let's see. Let's see how long it takes for them to pick up their phone. Let's see. 1,000, 2 1,000. Pick up your phone. Doo-doo-doo. Looks pretty good though, huh? Hi Dave, it's me. I just called to let you know I just got done. It's all done. Anytime you want to come pick up this old truck, it's ready to go. Alright, see? Oh, yeah. There you go. Alright, see ya. Bye-bye. There you go. Alright. Well, he's on his way to pick up his old truck, and I'm not quite sure if he's going to like the lettering on this one, because this is one of those jobs that I just emailed him a design, and he didn't even see the design. It was his wife that saw the design. So what I'm going to do is put the camera in an inconspicuous spot and try to video the customer's reaction on when he sees his truck, and if it's bad, it's bad. I'm not going to worry about it, because it all happens. Sometimes you do a job and you know, you can't make everybody happy. Sometimes the chef burns the hamburger. Está bien. In the meantime, you know, we got this nice little stripe going all the way around the vehicle. Boom, boom, boom. Right down the line. And then on the nose up here, I did this, turn the lights off. Typical little, you know, rat rod style pin stripe design. Because the guy initially had asked me about doing a rat rod style look to the vehicle. So I'm going to put the camera way up there somewhere maybe, and let the fun begin. Oh, okay.
Next year I'm going to bring you 5 more.
Oh, you think so?
That looks nice.
Oh, thank you.
There he is.
Bend over on both sides. I like
Nice.
it. Looks good, Alicia.
I tried. See them? Here they are. The next to cigarettes. Good? You don't want to do something. I thought maybe you saved it. Okay.
Hey, nice to meet you.
Nice meeting y'all too.
Thanks.
The guy liked the truck, so I can sleep good tonight. Woo! Okay, time to clean up the shop, because